Good evening, children. Welcome back to one more session of probability mathematics. That is, the last we completed. Last class we completed the probability. What I call dice. One die, two dice we completed. Yeah. Today we'll see the deck of cards. You know the playing cards. I hope that every student, every people know that deck of cards. The deck of cards, deck is a nothing but set of four sets will be there. In each set, it will be 13 cards will be there. 13 cards, which are as A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, and King. These are the one set of cards. In this, as is a very big number. A is we will call as a card. A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, King. And these three, see, this is one set. Totally it will be four sets will be there. Four sets. One is spades, clubs, hearts, diamonds. Spades, clubs, hearts, and diamonds. Here, these two are black color cards, and these two sets are called red color cards. Totally, it will be 26 cards, and this is also 26. And this is called 52 cards, called deck of cards. One deck is equal to 52 cards. One deck is equal to 52 cards. Black cards 26, red cards 26. Togetherly 52. There will not be a joker in this. When we will play togetherly, we will go with the 53 cards with one each joker. But here in the normally, you don't have that. So 52 cards, that is we'll call as deck of cards. So in this, J, Q, K are called face cards. Observe carefully. Whenever that Jackie, Queen, King cards, you can see on the card, on the cards, you can see the face. Jackie, Queen, girl, lady, King, like that. Faces you can observe. A is not a face card or a number, as. Face cards are 3 in a one set. In a deck of cards, how many sets will be there? 4. 3 fours are 12 face cards will be there. In one deck. In a deck. In a deck of cards, 12 face cards will be there. In that, 6 black cards, and 6 red cards. 6 black cards, 6 red cards. These two spades, clubs. You can see that spades, shape of spades like this. Clubs, hearts, you know that hearts. Diamonds, you know this. spades, clubs, hearts and diamonds. 2 sets are black, 2 sets are red. Togetherly, totally 52. In each set, 13 cards will be there. In 13 cards, in one set, 3 face cards will be there. 3 into 4 sets will be there. That is nothing but 12 in a deck. 12 face cards. 12 face cards in a deck. In this 12, 6 are black cards, 6 are red cards. You have to know this one, face cards in this. In this also, the most important thing is that is, what do you say, that composite numbers, prime numbers, multiples of that numbers. In that, the question you can see. You can see that. Okay. So find here whatever. As A, 2, 3, 4, 5. A is not a face card. Only Jackie, Queen, King are the face cards. Okay, children. Now, is it clear? 12 face cards in a deck, 26 black cards in a deck, 26 red cards in a deck, together 52 cards, and 6 face cards of black, 6 face cards of red, totally 12. Now we can see some questions on a deck of cards. Okay, fine. All right. Now we'll see some questions. Some questions on a deck of cards. Some questions on a cards. Yeah. What is the probability? What is the probability? If you write the question once. What is the probability what is the probability of getting the black face cards? Black face cards in a deck. What is the probability of getting the black face cards of a deck? This one I will show problematically how you will get the solution steps. Fine. What is the probability of getting the black cards? Black face cards. Now the black face cards are favorable thing. The favorable outcome now, which you will raise the question. That one at that time, that is called favorable outcome. Okay. So now see that. Yes. Total number of cards. Total number of cards. How many? 52. 52. Deck na? Total number of cards. 50. What he is asking? Probably getting the black face cards. Number of black face cards. How many? In a one set, 3 it will be there. 3 into 2, 6 black face cards. Face cards are Jackie, Queen, and King. Jackie, Queen, and King. Spades and clubs. Now, probability formula. Probability of black face cards. Getting or whatever. Probability of black face cards in a deck. The formula is number of favorable outcomes. number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes. What is the number of favorable? That this is your favorable outcome, which is not black face cards is a favorable outcome. Black favor. Which one? You will raise the question that is called favorable outcomes. You can write here even number of favorable black face cards. You can write here. Number of favorable black face cards. Otherwise, even you can go like this 6 by 52. 6 by 52. And is there any cancellation? 6 table is going? No. 2 table here it is going. No, 3 table even. 3 table also it is not going. 2 table here it is going. What is 2 table? 2 3s, 2 2s, 2 6s. 3 by 26. 3 by 26. So this is the final answer. All the cases, whatever the solution will be there. Just these are the only 4 steps already. Since I am saying only the 4 steps you will get that are this is first one, second one. You can write this one as first one or this is second, whatever. 1, 2, and this is the fourth, the third one, and fourth one is the solution. That's it. Minimum 4 and a 4 mark question. But in this, this is one of the first in this itself he will give one more question. 1, 2, 3 maybe he will give. So this is for 1 mark, 1 mark. Altogether, whatever 4 mark he will get. Maximum mark is a 4. So fine. So total number of cards is 52. Number of black face cards are 6. So probability of getting black face cards in a deck. That is nothing but number of formula you have to mention. That is 6 by 52, 3 by 26. 3 by 26. That is nothing. Just cancel it and you will get the result. Cancel it, you will get the result. That is 3 by 26. 1, 2, 3, and 4 steps. That's it. In all the cases, I won't go like this. Only this one I said. The remaining everything you have to write. Totally, you have to write this one and formula. Just the next case, the next problem directly I will show that only this one. Only this one. So remaining is common for every problem. Fine. Right. So this is the way you have to go. So some questions I will raise, and also meanwhile we'll go with the solution. If you want to take a click. Take a screenshot otherwise. Now let us go with the one more question. One more question. Let us go with the one more. If hearts are not there in a deck, hearts are not there, then the question is, what is the probability of getting the face cards? Once again, if hearts are deleted, otherwise if heart cards are not added in a deck, not there in a deck, what will be the probability getting the face cards? Face cards. Condition is there. If hearts are not added in deck of cards. Yes. What about here? What is that? What about the total number of cards? Total number of cards. Hearts are how many? 13 hearts will be there. 13 cards means one set. You have to delete. You have to delete. One set you have to delete. 52 minus 13. There is a no. Hearts are not added in a deck of cards. Now the question is, what is the probability of getting the face cards? Probability of face cards. In each set, how many face cards will be there? Jockey, queen, and king. In each set, 3. How many sets are there now? 3 sets are there. Because 1 sets are deleted, not added in the hearts are not there. What is the probability of getting the face cards? Face cards. Formula. What is the formula? Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. That is the formula. So how many here? How many will be there in this? In a 1 set, 3 cards will be there. Totally 3 sets will be there. 3 threes are 9 by 39. 9 by 39. Hearts are not there. So 3 face cards are available. Total number of cards are not 52 because hearts not there in that. You have to delete. That is nothing but minus 13. 52 minus 13, there is nothing but 39. Now cancel. Is there any cancellation? Yes, 9 table is no. 3 table is going. 3 threes are 9. 3 13s are. 3 13s are 39. 3 by 39 is the result. 3 by 13. 3 by 13 is the result. 3 by 13. 1 3. That's it. Hearts are not added. Okay, so same in the same. What is the probability of getting the red face cards? If hearts are not added, same question. If hearts are not added, what will be the probability of getting the red face cards? Red face cards. Only red face cards are 3 because hearts also red. Hearts also red. So hearts are not there. The remaining is only diamonds. The diamonds are only 1 set is there. 1 set how many? How many? 3 cards will be there. Out of how many? How many? 39. Red cards means don't take red. Totally have to take. Total cards are how many? Yeah, this is not added means 39 cards. Totally added. But here red face cards are only 3. Now 3 ones are 3 13. So 1 by 13 is the result. 1 by 13 is the result. Understand? Same question. If hearts are not added, what is the probability of getting the multiples of 3? Multiples of 3. Totally how many sets are there? That is most important. Totally how many sets are there? Only 3 sets are there. 3 into 13, 39. 3 sets are there, 39. Total cards are 39. Numerator, multiples of 3. See, multiples of 3 is this one. 1 is this. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 10, 11, 12. No, this is not number. That is face card. We never do, as per default, Q is 12. But you should not take Q as a 12 number because Q is a face card. We are calling that one as a face card. According to while playing, you can think that is 12. Q is a 12. Maximum the people, everyone will think that one. But according to this one, it is not multiple of 3. This is called face card, not number 12. So should not calculate. Only 3, 6, 9. Multiples of 3. In a 1 set, 3 are there. In a 1 set, 3 face cards are there. How many totally? 3 are there. 3 sets are there. So 3 threes are how much? 9 again. 9 is 3 threes are 9. 3 13s are 39. So again 3 by 13 is the result. 3 by 13 is the result. Understand? So that is the multiples of 3. Same like that. What is the probability of getting the composite number? Same. If hearts are not added, composite of number. If hearts are not added, what is the probability of getting the composite of number? Composite of number. What is the composite of? This is composite. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are the composite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 composite numbers are there. What is composite definition? Which are multiples, which are if you have factors more than 2. 4. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is also a factor. More than 2 na? 6. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 6 is a factor. So if you have more than 2 factors called composite number. So how many composite numbers are there? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are all composite. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? In a one set, 5 cards are there. In a one set, 5 cards. How many sets are there? 3 sets. Because if hearts are not added, so 3 sets are there. 5 threes are 5 threes are, and here how many are there? 39. 5 into 3 sets. Now 3 table is going. 3 ones are 3, 13. 3 ones are 3, 13. So 5 by 13. 5 by 13. 3 ones are 3, 13. 5 by 13 is the result. What is the probability of getting the composite of number? 5 by 13. 5 by 13 is the result. Understand? So like this you have to do. We'll see one more some problems. If you want, take a screenshot. Okay. We'll see some more problems on these cards. What is the probability? What is the probability of? See the conditions. The condition I removed. Here a condition is I removed here. Okay. So what is the probability? What is the probability of red face cards? Probability of red, not red face cards, red cards. Let us direct, not face cards. What is the probability of getting the red cards? What is the total number of outcomes, Nana? Total number of outcomes are 52, not 39, because hearts are there. Condition not given. Did I write here? No. Direct question is nothing but 52. 52 cards will be there. 4 sets will be there. So probability of getting the red cards. So red cards are how many? 2 sets will be there. 2 sets. In each set how many? 13. 13 will be there. 2 sets. In each set, red cards is not asking numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, Facebook. No. Directly is asking 2 into 13 by 52. 2 into 13 by 52. So that now, so 13 ones are 13 fours are. 13 ones are 13 fours are. And again 2 ones are to 2s are. So nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Try to avoid the cancel like this. You can give directly this answer. You can give directly this answer. So even you will get the full mark. No issues. Fine. 1 by 2. Half of the pack it will be the red cards. So same like that here. What is the probability of getting the black cards? What is the probability of getting the black cards? That is, black cards are sets how many? 2 sets will be there. Each set 13 will be there. Out of how many? 52 cards will be there. And now again, see the same. Here 2 sets, here also 2 sets. That is nothing but half pack. Half 1/2. Half pack will be half pack. 26 cards are available in a deck of cards which are related to black, and 26 cards are red. Togetherly 52. Altogetherly 52 cards. Okay. Now, what is the probability of getting the diamond queen? Diamond queen. What is the probability of getting the diamond queen? Diamond queen. Generally, if you think the queen will be single and the diamond will be single, right? Diamond shaped queen will be only one. Diamond cards or sets are one. In that set, only one queen will be. Yes, altogether 4 queens are there. But one is spades queen, clubs queen, hearts queen, diamond queen. So he is asking that question is, what is the probability of getting the diamond queen? The diamond queen will be the only one. One by out of 52 cards. Not only queens. You should not take 4 queens. You have to take the 52 cards. The total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes, that is 52. What is the probability of getting the diamond queen? So same like that, what will be the probability of getting the heart of a queen? Heart touching, heart of a queen. That is also one heart queen. Hearts. In that, only one queen will be there. That is also 1 by 52. What is the probability of getting the heart queen in a deck? Heart queen in a deck, only one person. Only one card will be available. That is 1 by 52. 1 by 52. That is the heart queen. That is equal to 1 by 52. So like this, if you extend, you will go like that. And also let us go with, what is the probability of getting the clubs? Clubs. What is the probability of getting the clubs? Clubs is nothing but only one set. One set is equal to how many cards will be there? 13 out of. So go with the calculation. 13 ones are 13 fours are 52. 13 fours are 52. That is 1 by 4. Clubs. Probability of getting the clubs of cards in a deck. Clubs of cards in a deck. That is nothing but 13 by 52, which is related to 1 by 4. Which is related to 1 by 4. Got it? So like this, you can go with whatever the one different question I will ask. Meanwhile, take a screenshot. Now, different question I will take. Different question. Think very carefully. I will raise one question. That is, what is the probability? What I thought here. Yes. What is the probability of getting the non-numeric of cards? What is the probability of getting the non-numeric of deck of cards? Non-numeric of deck of. Non-numeric means which are not number. Which are not number called A, J, Q, K. 4 cards. Different. think innovatively. Non-numeric deck of cards. Non-numeric deck of cards are 4 in a set. How many sets totally? 4 sets will be there. Together it how many? Altogether how many? That is 52 cards. 4 into 4. In each set of 4 will be there. 4 sets will be there. That is now 4 ones are 4 13. So 4 by 13 is the result. 4 ones are 4 13. 4 by 13. That is probability of getting the non-numeric of deck of cards. Non-numeric. It should not be numeric. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to delete all. A, J, Q, K are alphabet, not numeric. Non-numeric. So probability of getting a non-numeric of deck of cards, that is that 4 into 4 sets will be there, that is 16 by 52, which is 4 by 13 by after calculation. Now, what is the probability of getting the multiples of 7 black cards? What is the probability of getting the multiples of 7 black cards? First of all, black cards are how many sets here? Black cards are how many sets? 2 sets will be there. 2. How many multiples of 7 will be there? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. No, there is no 14. So only how many are there? 1. So write down 1. Simple. Black cards are 2 sets are there. Black cards are 2 sets are there. Multiples of 7 black cards. Multiples of 7 black cards. So black cards are 2 sets. In each set, how many multiples of 7 is there? How many multiples of 7 are there? 7 ones are 7, 7 to the 14. 14 numeric, it's not there. So only 1, that is 1. 2 ones are 226, which is nothing but 1 by 26. 1 by 26. 1 by 26. Multiples of 7 black cards, that is 1 by 26. So like this, you can go whatever the problems with the deck. Playing cards, very easy, no? Face cards are important, and one more just before I completed, that is hearts, diamond hearts, diamond queen, heart of queen. And finally, let us go with one more. Property of getting the jack of cards. Jack of deck of cards. How many sets are there? 4. How many jacks will be there in each set? 1 will be there out of 52. 4 ones are 4. 13s are 1 by 13. See, you can see 1 by 13 or 20. You can see here previously also you got it here 1 by 13. But the questions are different. So 1 by 13. Property of getting the jack of deck of cards. Jacks. 4 jacks will be there. 4 by 52. 4 by 52. 4 ones are 4 13s are. 4 ones are 4 13s are. So that is nothing but 1 by 13. And this is. So everything is very dead easy, which is related to the deck of cards. You can raise the question if you will have any in a group. I hope you understand excellently. We'll go with the different questions in one more class. Different types, whatever the rest of the problems are there, we'll go with that. Meanwhile, we'll wind up today's session. Try to do whatever the problems in your textbooks. If you get any doubts related to the deck of cards or dice, you can raise the questions. And by next class, we'll close the probability, the chapter. Thank you. One and all. Good night.